Hi guys, in this video, we are going to see how you can restore your old photos using AI tools. Let's go. As we know, many AI repair tools can make old photos clear, and it's not a big deal to color the photo. But if your old photos are damaged or cracked, it's not easy to fix the cracks. So to solve this problem, HitPaw Photo AI can help. Check the links in the description. You can head to the download and launch it. First, we input our photos, and then there are many kinds of repair models on the right. Choose Scratch Repair, which is made for repairing photos with scratches. And I will multiple face model to sharpen the same image. And then we elect the resolution and click Preview the image. Alright, that's quite good. Let's check more images. And the results satisfied me. Try it. Okay, it's all for today's video. If it's helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.